Hey guys, welcome back to Lions Den Investments and Reviews. My name's Casey. Hope you guys are having a good night. Um, Man, if you're not frothing at the mouth right now due to this market, you should be, because what I'm showing you here is a chart of Bitcoin. And if you look right over here, okay, we've got this is where we were back in 2017. All right, we had that little dip, and you may notice that we had a pullback yesterday. Um, I don't know how much lower we're going to go, but it wasn't that big of a drop, really. And it should have been expected because we came up, we hit about $69,100, and we had a pullback. But if you look at where we are right here, this was back in 2017, around like November 8th through November 12th. Okay, we had a pullback right there. I don't know if you can see it, but right here, we came up and we came down, right? Well, and right now I'm on a logarithmic chart, so you just right click on Trading View, click logarithmic. If you see where we're at right now, okay, that's where we're at right now. Same time frame. What happened next? We came down and we just exploded. What I'm expecting is the same thing. We're going to come down. We may bounce off of the support here at 59,898, and then we're going to explode. So I just want to show you that real quick because today's video is not really on technicals with Bitcoin. I'm going to cover Theta. Okay, we're gonna talk about the smart contracts. There's a lot of announcements that have come out. Theta just continues to move really fast, and they're extremely hard to keep up with, guys. But they did an announcement on the Theta Drop smart contracts, and then I also want to talk about Theta Swap and their Theta Video Api, because all three of these things are very important. They're going to all tie in to the NFT marketplace and metaverse. So I'm going to go into those, and I'm going to walk you through uh, the Theta Swap platform, and then I'm going to show you how that connects with the Theta Wallet browser extension. Okay, because it works real similar to Uniswap. I don't know if you guys have ever used Uniswap, but it works real similar to that, okay? And MetaMask. So with the charts here on Theta, you can obviously see we broke the downward resistance here. We've got an inverse head and shoulders, which is an extremely strong reversal pattern to the upside. And you can see we broke through the resistance, came back down, and it looks like right now we just formed our new higher low, which is the second new higher low there. And if I clone this real quick, you can see we've got this channel that's going right now, all right, on Theta. So the fact that we're inside a channel going upwards and we've got a second higher low here is extremely bullish. I would expect we're going to bounce back up. We'll retest. Let me just get rid of this top line there. We'll retest this resistance here at about $8.24. Now you can see we continually get pushed back around that $8 mark, $8.20 area. So I'm expecting we'll come back and retest that again. And because if you look here, I've got these lines highlighted in yellow because I want you to see them real quick. But you got this support right here going up, and then you've got your resistance line right there. So what you've got here forming is an ascending triangle, and that's bullish as well, okay, because all we need to do is just break up here, flip this resistance to support, okay. We might come back down a little bit and we'll bounce off the support, and then we're gonna test the $9.46 price range there. So that's what I'm expecting on Theta. Extremely bullish right now for the charts. And you can see down here, guys, if you look at the volume's starting to spike. All right, that's something you want to pay attention to when you're reading charts, because when the volume spikes like this, it's basically like a volcano that's breathing. Okay, so it's waking up. Godzilla's waking up. So if you like that news, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Now moving forward here, let's go ahead and look at the news here on the Theta Drop smart contracts, okay? Now, first off, Theta Drop's got the NFT marketplace, and they've got a trading engine for that. You got Nft Liquidity Mining. So just summarizing it here without going too long, one of the most important features introduced by this trading engine is the NFT Liquidity Mining, which is an incentivization mechanism to encourage NFT trading among users. So the whole purpose behind these announcements with the KYC withdrawals that are going to be taking place here on November 15th to, just getting this whole NFT marketplace set up and allowing the withdrawal features, the whole reason for that, again, is to encourage NFT trading among users. So you're going to be able to take NFTs and withdraw them from the marketplace, go to say OpenSea or someplace like that, and put them out there as well. So it allows you to take your NFTs off of their platform and get them into like more secondary open markets that may be a lot larger than a Theta's open, NFT marketplace at the current moment. So that's the whole purpose behind that. But they've got the testing ganache here, so this is all nerd language basically for developers. But it's there for developers so they can go ahead and test all this stuff with smart contract functions and whatnot. It even allows them to integrate some of this into their own decentralized applications. So who knows what somebody else could create here, because they do mention that right here. New T-Drop tokens will be mined each time a user makes a purchase using TFUEL on THETA Drop NFT Marketplace or through a third-party NFT DApp that's built on the NFT Marketplace smart contract. Okay, so that's what that's about. So now we'll move over here to the KYC and withdrawal details. So basically they're saying, they're thrilled that they're releasing the withdrawal feature to the THETA Drop platform. This post contains details for the upcoming USD TFUEL withdrawal implementation. Okay, that is going to launch here on November 15th, 2021. So we've only got 4 days left, and this is really good news because you're going to need something like this for the Theta, for the Katy Perry NFT launch that she's doing on Theta. For people who are not, into the crypto space and may not know a whole lot about NFTs, they're not going to know how to navigate the blockchain and the crypto space like a lot of us do. So what are they going to need to do? They're going to need to make it user friendly for people, that are dealing in U.S. dollars. So that's the whole purpose behind this. But they're gonna need to get their KYC requirements met first. So of course they're gonna need a driver's license, passport, or a resident ID. Now, how do you withdraw? Once withdrawals are implemented, to withdraw your USD or TFUEL, click your profile picture, and this is from Theta Drop. It's in the right hand corner. You're going to select account settings. I already actually walked you through this in a previous video, so if you want, you can go back and watch that. I'm not going to really cover that here. Basically, you just want to get verified, okay, for your KYC verification. Now, after you've been verified, you will have access to withdrawals tab as soon as this is launched. So you'll be able to, if you got NFTs out there, you'll be able to withdraw or move those to a different place. If I'm correct. If not, somebody correct me if I'm wrong there. But you should be able to move your NFTs off of that marketplace and into like a OpenSea or something like that. And if you even got TFUEL setting in there, and let's say you want to sell directly on the Theta NFT marketplace, and you want to sell your NFT there, and you get your TFUEL tokens, you'll be able to withdraw those, move those over to your Theta wallet. Okay. Now there is withdrawal fees here. I'm not going to get into that just for the sake of keeping this video fairly short. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go look at what I'm showing you here. But this is the USD and TFUEL, the fees basically for minimum withdrawals, etc. So some of the answers and questions. Somebody said, "Can I withdraw my NFTs?" Only USD and TFUEL withdrawals are available at this time. NFT withdrawals will be announced at a later date. So I guess I just answered my own question there. You will not be able to move those NFTs to a secondary market as of yet. Okay, that's still going to be announced at a later date. So my country isn't on a KYC list. They give you a link here so you can refer to this list for countries and territories that are unsupported at the moment. How long does it take to verify KYC? The majority of submissions will be verified automatically within 5 minutes. I already got mine verified, so it was a pretty painless process. They'll send you an email saying that you're verified, and again, that took place for me at about 5 minutes. How long does each withdrawal take? All withdrawal requests are manually reviewed by our team. Please allow for processing time between submitting a withdrawal request and having the funds deposited in your bank account or Theta wallet. Most withdrawals are processed within 10 to 20 business days, but others may take more time, okay? This allows us to ensure the safety and security of our community and to comply with financial regulations because, again, they're dealing with the SEC on this stuff. They want to make sure that they're transparent. So that's why it's taken so long, the 10 to 20 business days there. Now, how long does it take to receive my funds once the withdrawal request is approved? It's 3 to 5 business days for USD bank transfers and 24 to 48 hours for TFUEL. I think these time frames, frankly, I'm not impressed with those, but it makes sense because you're dealing with US banks. Banks move at a snail's pace anyways. But for TFUEL, 24 to 48 hours. Hopefully they can improve upon that at a later date. How many withdrawal requests can I have at once? You may have one USD or one TFUEL withdrawal request at a time. And can I cancel my withdrawal requests? You may cancel your withdrawal request if it has not been approved by our team yet. So I'm not going to go through the rest of this. You can look over it for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below. But let's go to Theta Swap real quick. Because guys, again, if you use Uniswap, and I'm going to shoot a video on this probably tomorrow or going into the weekend, but I'm going to show people who are, wanting to use MetaMask to buy like Doge GF or Doge's girlfriend, for instance. I'm going to show you how to do that because I've had some people ask questions about that. And then I'll try to go in and explain how you can look at the gas fees on MetaMask as well. But to stay on subject here, we're just going to cover Theta Swap, the Theta Video Api, and I'm going to show you how the platform here works real similar to, say, MetaMask connecting with the Uniswap platform, okay? Because the two are really, really identical. They're pretty much the same as far as how they work. But this is Theta Swap. It's the platform that you can use, and you're going to be able to swap TFUEL for another token. Okay, now these tokens, I believe, are going to be TNT20 protocol tokens. So there'll be other projects, for instance. Imagine this, like you got the metaverse being created right now. You might have some of these gaming projects that create live video streaming tokens for their games, okay? And they might use the TNT20 protocol for their token. So it'll be kind of like a TFUEL token as far as utility and use case and stuff like that. Well, if that hits an open market, you're going to need a way to access that, okay? And if it's TNT20 protocol, Theta Swap's going to offer that through the platform here, where you can go directly to Theta Swap here, and you'll be able to swap TFUEL for that token of choice. Now, you're going to have to connect with the Theta wallet. So what you'll want to do is go out here, okay? Go to Google, and from Google, you're going to type in Theta extension browser. But you're going to click on that, and that'll take you over here to the Chrome web store, where, if you're using Chrome, you just install it, and it's going to show up right over here, okay, on your browser extensions. Now from here, you open that, you're going to enter your password, okay, and that'll open up your wallet. It opens and operates real similar in fashion to MetaMask, okay? Now you could add a token, right? And what you want to do is use the token contract address for TNT20. And you can put that in here. I believe you'll probably be able to put in like maybe an ERC20. I haven't played with it, and quite frankly, I'm not going to play with it right now. Just again, because I want to keep this video short as possible. But that's how you would add a token, basically. Right now you got Theta and TFUEL, so you can move TFUEL, you can receive or send. You can also stake from this wallet. But what you're going to do is connect your wallet. So you connect now. Okay, so it has connected. You can see my address up here, and this will allow you to basically select a token at the time whenever these tokens come about. But you'll be able to type in the name of the token or whatever, and it'll pop up in here. Okay, and then you'll be able to swap. You'll enter your amount and all that. Right now, none of that's working because I believe this is still in beta phase. But I just wanted to introduce that to you because, again, if you got this metaverse being created, and these other tokens are possibly being used for TNT 20 and live streaming video and stuff like that, and they hit the markets, you're going to need a way to be able to access those, and Theta is at the forefront of that, okay? Kind of like Uniswap was with decentralized finance. See, Theta Swap here be at the forefront of the live streaming video and entertainment, okay? So, moving forward though, let's check this out too. This is the Theta Video API. Now this is really cool because for developers, again, who are building decentralized applications, all right, that use live streaming video capabilities, they're going to be able to use, check this out guys, they're going to be able to use, so here they can use a video file via Theta Video API, and Theta will automatically encode and process it for streaming. So there's no work on their end from a developer's perspective. So if you got companies out there who are wanting to run live streaming services, they're going to be able to do that now, and they got a place to go where they can build out their decentralized application that's going to integrate into the blockchain using Theta. They can use TFUEL, and they can join the pricing packages down here. So they could do video ingest, video storage, video delivery. But see, they're only accepting TFUEL. Theta is, guys. So it incentivizes these companies to go ahead and start integrating, now, so they can run their video APIs on their DAPPS, and who knows where that goes, but that's opening Pandora's box here, guys. And I believe as more and more people go to use this service, okay, when they get started, they're going to have to use TFUEL, so that's going to drive the price up because of demand for TFUEL, okay? So the price of TFUEL is going to go up as well. That's really all I have for today's video, guys. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. If you guys haven't subscribed to the notifications, go ahead and click on the notification bell as well, because I've had people hitting me up lately who are watching my channel, and they're asking me questions about, what my thoughts are on, a certain project or a token that I've covered in my videos. And if you hit that notification bell, you're going to get updates that I'm not shooting in my videos. Like you'll get updates on technical analysis, on some of the charts and what I'm seeing there, some of the headlines that I might catch, just at random. I'll take a snippet, throw it out there for you. But again, you can get updates that way as well. So just hit that notification bell, and I will get another video out here, like I said, Friday or sometime this weekend, and I'm going to cover Uniswap and the MetaMask extension. And I'm going to show you how those two interact as well, because what you saw here with Theta Swap and the Theta wallet, it's the same concept. It works the same way. If you guys are, wanting to get a hold of some Doge's girlfriend, I'm going to go ahead and cover that for you in that video. So stay tuned for that. With that said, markets go up and down. We might come back here a little bit and retrace on Bitcoin and the overall market. But remember what I showed you there at the very beginning of the video and where we're at. And as usual, guys, fear nothing, my friends. I'll talk to you later.